Happy birthday, Casey. Alam ko na pinalaki ka ng parents mo na may mabuting kalooban. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is mag-aral ka ng mabuti and ngayon na 18 ka na, alam mo na yung mga desisyon na dapat mong gawin para sa'yo. Pero lagi mong isipin na nandyan ang magulang mo at ang Panginoon. Happy birthday ulit, Casey.
The 10th candle will be given by Mrs. Melanie A. Espiritu.
Sorry, miss. 6 years, miss na po. Lahat po ng wish nila at lahat ng wish ng hindi pa nakapagbigay ng wish, ang wish ko, matupad sana yung wish nila. Yung Casey na pangalan mo, sabi kanina ni Ma'am Gina, kasama, kasali, kasalo. Yung Casey naman sa akin, kasama mo lagi si Cristo. Happy birthday.
Next candle will be given by Lola Margarita Aguinaldo.
Timbakasan, ano na kaya? Yeah, bagat ko na natay ko. Pag na. Timbakasan.
Nagmo-moment si Lola doon. Ayan. Next candle po will be given by Ninang Nida C. de los Santos.
Happy 18th birthday, Casey. Now you have the full freedom to do everything legally. But still, you need the guidance of your parents. I know, Casey, you're such a good daughter. At napatunayan ko naman yan when you were in your elementary days. Talagang napakabait na bata ito. And continue to be a good daughter, continue to be a good servant of the Lord, and continue to find the strength to turn your dreams into reality. Again, happy 18th birthday, Casey.
Next candle will be given by Ninang Marilu Rodriguez.
This is my message to you, Casey. Happy 18th birthday, Casey. Today is February 1, a month of love. Marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your life. It's adulthood. May this year bring you endless opportunities, unforgettable memories, and the courage to chase your dreams. You are now stepping into a world full of possibilities, responsibilities, and adventures. And I have no doubt that you will embrace it with grace and determination. Always believe in yourself. Stay true to who you are and never stop reaching for the stars. The best is yet to come. Enjoy every moment of your special day. Celebrate, laugh, and make wonderful memories. Wishing you success, happiness, and all the love in the world. Cheers to 18. Love lots, Mambalu.
Next, Ma'am Jenjen M. Bayan.
Hi Casey! Happy birthday! Ngayon, ang message ko sa'yo, babalik na rin natin ang message ni Lola. Ang sabi ni Lola, huwag ka munang magbo-boyfriend. Pero ako, mag-boyfriend ka na. Pero dapat may limitations. Ano, para mo naman, at mag-explore ka na din. Tulad ni mama mo, tantaw ng tantaw. And now, magtantaw ka ng magtantaw para ma-enjoy mo ang teenage. Ano yun? Ang inyong pagka-18. Okay? So, lahat dapat may limitations. Again, happy birthday!
Next, Mrs. Maribel Aguinaldo.
Yan, naman. Palit ko yung sinanay niya. Dalay ka rin sa amin. Dalay ka rin sa amin. Mike.
Next candle will be given by Mrs. Maria Luisa C. Acosta.
Naman to.
Nakamigpintas ni Casey. Happy birthday, Naneng! Naneng palang aya, kay 89. Enjoy your life being early teens, tapta. Aya. Kan amok nga nabaybayagan ni Nururay mo tiyak 18 tapno kano pagka-boyfriend ka kung nagadyadugdumang yung saan. Yung ano na nga araminim na kong ket pilimit mo na. Piliin mo muna bago ko magka-boyfriend kitain na dyan. Hankan ko no agbabawi nga maki-boyfriend. And syempre, hamo ka nung ma-enjoy no awan iti lulwasit mo no pain sometimes. Pero that will be a lesson. No, kas pagarigan at danto dyan tayo nga maranasam ni Chay, you should grow, overcome whatever problems you may encounter during your early teens. Casey, amok nga nakaimimbag ka, nakasaysayangat ka nga inanak, do your best to do. And God will do the rest. Happy birthday once again. Thank you very much. Dala daw ni Ma'am.
Next candles will be given by Lola Lita Escaba. At ibubulong na rin po ulit ni Lola. Ayan. And last but not the least, Mrs. Febelin Ablao. Represented by Angel.
And happy 18th birthday, Casey, Ate C. And sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And yun, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagsaserve mo kay God bilang isang guitarist, singerist, di ba? Andiyan na lahat. And sana ngayon ay syempre marami ka pang tatahakin and I hope na yung journey mo is maging meaningful and at the same time ay ma-enjoy mo yung process. Yun ulit, happy 18th birthday, Ate C.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 18 candles. Let us know that these 18 candles represent, first, long life, good health, financial independence, spiritual enlightenment, peace of mind, strength and determination, courage and willpower, knowledge enrichment, safe travels, success and genuine happiness, families, unity and harmony, stronger friendship ties, social awareness and concern, everlasting love, enhancement of her talents and skills, her everlasting beauty, more opportunities to come, and for her purpose-driven life. At this juncture, may we request our debutant to please stand and our 18 candles to join her. Kahit dito na lang po tayo sa gitna muna, para sa gitna siya. Then, after which, kakantahan na po natin ang ating debutant. Yeah, mas malakas!
Happy birthday to you.
Let us now give our lovely debutant her 18 claps. Let's count. Ready, blow! Ayan, once again, happy birthday. May I request now our debutant to please blow her candles. Parang napagod ata si Casey sa pag-blow ng candles niya.